Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find the best niche for your YouTube automation channel in 2025. First of all, you need to understand what is YouTube automation. So YouTube automation means creating faceless videos where your script, voice and edit are outsourced and you earn from the ad revenues, affiliate links and digital products. So your niche must be profitable, evergreen and easy to systemize. You need to focus on the evergreen and monetizable niches. So here are some of the proven niches that work well in 2025. So the first niche that we have is finance. The second one is the tech. The third one is the health and wellness, luxury and motivation, how to and tutorials. So these get consistent traffic and have strong CPMs as well. You can use free tools like Google Trends, vidIQ or TubeBuddy, and you can search for the terms like how to invest in 2025 if you want to find the finance related niches. Now once you search for this query, you will find a bunch of different videos. So you will have to just try to find the videos which are latest. So click on this filter option over here. In the upload date, simply select this week. Here you will see other videos that are created only this week, so you can just click on the channels that you find interesting. So here you can ask yourself, can I find or outsource the script writers easily for this particular topic? The second thing you need to ask is, are there free stock videos or b-rolls available for this niche, or can you create 2 to 3 videos a week in this niche? So you need to choose something that you can scale without burning out. So this is how you can search for the best niche in YouTube automation. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.